COVID-19 pandemic has seen Australia face an urgent need of surgical masks. Aided by the Australian government, Foodmac was tasked with a 60-day deadline to design and build the first of 7 life-saving mask-making machines. The machines will be installed at Medcon, based in Shepparton, Victoria, who at the commencement of the project was the only volume mask manufacturer in Australia. These masks will help fulfil the need of frontline medical workers.
Foodmac's a machinery and automation supplier targeting normally food and beverage, located in Echuca in regional Victoria. So the current Medcon project was a large pivot for our business out of our traditional customer base in food and beverage and moving into PPE machinery manufacturers. When COVID started kicking off, I guess we were looking at the resources and capabilities we had and just wondering what we could do to assist in the fight against COVID. Shortly thereafter, we received a call from a Shepparton-based company called Medcon, who at that stage was Australia's only manufacturer of surgical masks. They'd previously been producing about 5% of Australia's demand. When we went and looked at the original machines that are running at Medcon, built in the 1980s, very old-fashioned control system using pneumatic control, and it was obvious from the start that whilst the mechanics of the machine were good, the electrical control and safety side of the machines would need updating to current standards.
The original equipment designs had been lost, so the Australian Defence Force came on board to model the parts. These were provided to Foodmac, who then carried out significant engineering to update the drawings for manufacture.
Foodmac is manufacturing machines that make high-quality surgical masks. Normally a project of this type, given that we'd never built the machines before, we'd want a 6-month time frame. We've only had 8 weeks to do the design and the manufacture of these machines, which is very challenging. Partnering with Rockwell was an obvious choice because our electrical team and our software team were very familiar with the products. We know that you can just plug it in and they work. And we've got the backup of Rockwell support to make sure that it was going to happen in the right time frame. That was a no-brainer.
At the heart of the machine is the Rockwell Automation Allen Bradley Compact Guard Logix controller. The Kinetics servo drives integrate seamlessly into the Logix platform for easy configurability, system integration and safety. They keep the accuracy of the machine's start and stop functions. The Allen Bradley PowerFlex variable speed drives controls the lamination process. The panel view graphic terminals offer an intuitive modern design with Logix integration.
Rockwell Automation integrated architecture was a key differentiator for Foodmac to opt for our product. The ability of our product to be almost a plug-and-play type of solution gave them enough comfort and confidence that this selection would be the right one for such a tight time frame of a project.
My name is Bruno Bello. I work for AMTL, which is a manufacturing association. AMTL is an industry partner to the Entrepreneurs Program, which is a part of the Department of Industry and Science, supported by the federal government. These medical face mask machines are currently being produced in Echuca. It will be supplied to Medcon in Shepparton, where they will be running 24/7 to support the COVID-19 issue that we're currently faced with.
The factory floor is frantic inside Medcon's medical mask manufacturing facility.
My name is Ray Stockwell. I'm one of the directors of Medcon Proprietary Limited. Medcon was founded back in March 1989 and has operated continuously as a manufacturing plant until now. Prior to the pandemic, Medcon producing around 2 million masks a year. That was found to be inadequate for the pandemic and the requirements of it. So we've now upgraded all our machines that have been purchased from Foodmac in Echuca, and we now will soon have the capacity to manufacture some 160 million masks per year. The benefits of working with Foodmac and Rockwell in the automation phase is that we now have the capacity to run the machines and vary the outputs of the machines and vary all components where that wasn't able to be done on the original machines. We also have now capacity to look daily at what the output of the machines are and give us a lot of information that we never used to have.
Australia's mask manufacturing capacity is secured thanks to the innovative work of an exceptional team of engineers, designers and technicians. These smart machines provide the capacity to increase mask production significantly, helping to protect frontline workers and their patients in the fight to stem COVID-19.